Olha, chafere bafethu, it's your boy UK saying the Maskandi way bafethu, the Maskandi way. Angifuni kuze kuthiwa hayi sibanibani, usibanibani inamba kaSibanibani akayidlali, le ngoma kaSibanibani. Because I know bafethu there are sides to to Maskandi. I didn't know ukuthi uMaskandi une beef. Till now I started reacting to Maskandi. So this time around I've got you uLokhuza irazo la uLokhuza umthandeni uthi sikade umzila. I don't know what that means but let's get it. It's your boy UK Sing. First of all, I like the sleeve. The sleeve second is Lokhuza. It's one of those GTA kind of shit. You know, yeah. If you know GTA, but yeah, it's GTA. The Shani second sleeve sago GTA.
Awudipeze ndona abafana bami sikatumzila la aphula nomseshi sikatumzila la webafana ngani onyo ikatumzila la aphula nomseshi ikatumzila la awudipeze ndona abafana bami.
I don't know, maybe it's the Maskandi way, but Kona iLokhuza where iLokhuza for vocal. I don't hear the vocal, but the sound is louder than the vocal. Maybe it's my setup or I don't know what's going on here, but it sounds like a nice track. So far. The guy was trending eLokhuza eqhumisa isitrephu eLokhuza elandela amabhubesi. Yo, that was sick, bro. You playing with your life like that, bro. Once ibhubesi laphenduka, you fucked, bro. You fucked. But he was able to do that. That's amanye level. Wait. I don't know. It's either it's me who doesn't understand this Zulu ngendlela right, but the song says sikadumzila usiqhumise emoyeni isitrephu uyifaka emzileni, and the first guy said utheni kule ngoma yakho uthe ngene elayinini, wathi ngene elayinini lo uthi ugada umzila. So who's on the line bafethu? Ubani uselayinini kahle? Ubani uselayinini manje?
babalete wina karachi nansansabi ngidlule kolenza madoda bavala ngobhova emdlova nansansabi kashiste wanango ngapayile mbinambi nansansabi
bafethu it's your boy UKC uthi umthandeni hayibo uthi sigada umzila bafethu sigada umzila. Please follow and subscribe bafethu. Angikhethe umuntu angihambi na site la muntu la. It's your boy UKC. Please subscribe to my channel bafethu for more content, and if you feel like you want to get more of Idokuza of the Maskandi way, I'll give you more of Maskandi way. Just suggest to me ukuthi ngingene kweyiphi na